Namaste friends, in this video I am going to solve 2 by 2 cube. Hope you like it. So friends, this is how 2 by 2 looks. Well, it seems damn easy, isn't it? But it can really give you a hard time while solving it if you don't know how to solve 3 by 3. So, to start with, first pick any white piece. Look for another white piece and put it beside the first one to make a pair. Please make sure that the pair you make has another pair of similar color like this. Now find the third white piece and bring it near the white pair. And again, please see if you have another pair of similar colors like this. Now find the fourth white piece and bring it below the empty space like this. Now if you remember, we had some situation in 4th episode of 3 by 3 series. So, to identify your situation and perform the algorithms accordingly. Here, the two same colors faces are in the left diagonal direction. Make it front facing and do DI, FI, DE, F. So here you can make your white layer. For making yellow layer, first keep your white face downwards and see if you have one yellow piece towards left bottom. Even if it's not there, you just need to do R, U, RI, U, R, U 2 times RI. Keep doing this till you get the yellow layer. Even if you don't get any situation I just mentioned, just keep performing the algorithm and you will get your yellow layer. When you have a matching face other than white and yellow, make sure that the matching face is not in front, keeping yellow layer up. You do RI, F, RI, B 2 times R, FI, R, B 2 times, R 2 times, P 2 times. This will give you the solved cube. But if you don't have matching face, still you need to do RI, F, RI, B 2 times, R, FI, R, B 2 times, R 2 times, P 2 times, and get one layer solved. Now you know what to do, right? Yes, just keep it in back layer and do RI, F, RI, P 2 times, R, FI, R, B 2 times, R 2 times, P 2 times. This will give you the solved cube. Thank you friends for all your support. Share a word about my channel, like and subscribe. See you next week with Pyramids Cubing.